Mux Interactive Flat Panel, one of the unique products that has been contributing to make educational easier and smarter. It has turned out to be a go-to all-in-one solution for the smart classrooms. The panel you see right behind me is the educational series known as Interactive Flat Panel or Smart Board. The Mux Interactive Flat Panel features a stunning 4K Ultra HD display, provides crystal clear visual that enhances every presentation, lesson or videos. Whether you are displaying text heavy content or high resolution video, every detail looks vibrant and sharp. The size of the panel is 65 inches which is measured diagonally. We have other sizes as well. This is a compact device with load full of features for a seamless interactivity between a teacher and a student. It has an immersive display and writing experience. Let me quickly go through some of the hardware parameters of this panel. One of the USP of this panel is the dual operating system. That means Android and Windows operating system both inbuilt in one panel. So it is quite interesting that the user can use this device the same way they use their mobile phones and PC. The UI you are seeing right now is of Android 14.0. It comes with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. Sufficient storage so that a teacher can directly store all the PPTs, PDFs and lecture content on this device. With a single click, you can directly enter the Windows platform of this panel very smoothly. Moving on, this panel supports up to 20-point multi-touch technology. The Mux IFP features a powerful built-in digital board known as Node that transforms the way you teach and collaborate. Smooth writing and drawing. Write naturally with your fingers or stylus. The panel recognizes both fine writing and broad strokes without any delay. Shape recognition. Draw rough shapes. The whiteboard automatically converts them into perfect circle, square, triangles, etc. Insert media. Add images, video, sticky notes, graphs or PDFs directly into your whiteboard sessions. Resize and move items with simple drag and drop gestures. Flexible background. Choose from lined paper, graph paper, dark mode or custom background depending on the activity. Save and share instantly. Save your whiteboard session as image or PDFs. Share it directly via mail, USB or cloud storage without needing extra devices. Split screen. Use two apps side by side, example whiteboard on one half and a document or browser on the other. Handwriting recognition. Convert handwritten notes into editable, clean text with just one tap. Ideal for preparing lesson summaries. Wireless screen sharing. One of the most powerful features is wireless screen sharing. Teachers and students can cast their devices directly onto the panel without any cables. Toughened anti-glare glass. For safety and durability, the screen is made up of 7 MOHS toughened anti-glare glass, ensuring clear visibility even under bright lights. Easy connectivity ports. At the side panel, you will find easy access HDMI, USB and Type-C ports, allowing you to connect laptops, webcams, external drives and other devices seamlessly. Energy efficiency. Despite all its powerful features, the Mux IFP is designed to be energy efficient, consuming lower power while delivering superior performance. Thank you for watching. To learn more or schedule a live demo, feel free to reach out to us anytime. Log on to www.muxdisplay.com for more information.